When a colorful group of senior citizens gather for their first virtual reality class, expect a tangle of tech, gaffes, and giggles. This is Marvin, a retired accountant who used to find errors others missed. His exacting nature sometimes clashes with the unpredictable world of technology. This is Ethel, with a rapier which she often uses to slice through the absurdity she finds in everyday life, including this VR escapade. This is Dolores, always the first to volunteer for the latest adventure. She views VR as her next big escapade. This is Roberto, who never misses an opportunity to crack a joke, especially while fumbling through new experiences like these. This is Fiona, a former ballerina whose grace escapes her when dealing with gadgets and gizmos, often leading to awkward yet endearing moments. This is Tsuyoshi, an engineer in his previous life, whose pride in his tech savvy can sometimes come off as overconfidence. The Sunnydale Retirement Home's activity center buzzes with anticipation as Marvin, Ethel, Dolores, Roberto, Fiona, and Tsuyoshi gather around a table littered with sleek VR headsets. In this dance of digits and displays, we embark on a comedic journey of virtual misadventures.
All right, everyone, please handle the equipment with care. We want to learn, not launch a digital disaster.
I'd be more worried about launching poor Marvin into the 21st century.
Oh, I can't wait to dive in. Who knows where we'll end up? Maybe swimming with virtual dolphins?
And I'll be cracking jokes with the virtual clownfish. I hope they don't clown around too much with my settings.
Just hoping I don't trip over any virtual furniture. Or real furniture.
Fiona waves her arms for balance as she nearly knocks over a standing lamp while reaching for her headset.
Watch the furniture, Fiona. In the virtual world, it's the pixels you have to worry about.
Does everyone have the strap adjusted? We don't want any virtual slip-ups.
What if I want to virtually slip out of this chaos, Marvin?
Chaos? This is going to be a blast.
And if we get lost, we can always follow the virtual breadcrumbs back home.
Dolores accidentally activates her headset, her arm movements causing a virtual windstorm inside the simulation, papers and napkins dancing in the air.
Oh my, it looks like a tornado hit. Did I miss a dance recital?
That's the spirit of virtual reality. It responds to your wildest gestures.
Tsuyoshi, please, let's keep our gestures to a mild breeze.
At this rate, Dolores is going to send us all off to Oz.
Ethel chuckles, watching as Dolores tries to tame her digital gusts by flapping her arms in the opposite direction.
If we see the Tin Man, I'll ask him for a heart of gold, though I doubt he'd have dad jokes instead.
Maybe we'll find some courage in there for me to handle this technology.
Courage? In the virtual world, your only fear should be a low battery.
Despite his confidence, Tsuyoshi's headset emits a low battery warning, causing a wave of chuckles around the room.
There's a lesson in hubris for you, Tsuyoshi. Always charge your devices.
Or maybe it's a sign computers know when we've had enough of progress.
Or it's a sign to switch to the adventure of charging cables.
Speaking of charging, I once tried to plug in my sandwich to recharge my meal.
Oh no, not the sandwich pun. This technology will be the end of me, and comedy.
The group shares a playful eye roll as they finally manage to adjust their headsets and prepare to transcend into virtual realms.
Alright, let's embark on this digital dive. Ready when you are, Captain Clumsy?
Keep an eye on your leaders, folks. Let's not have anyone walking into walls.
With this crew, I make no promises, Captain Caution.
To infinity and beyond. Or at least to the next room without tripping.
Ah, tripping in VR. The floor is lava, folks. But don't worry, it's just virtual heat.
The class erupts into laughter, poised on the cusp of an electronic expedition filled with trials, tremors, and plenty of teachable moments. As our intrepid seniors find camaraderie amid the circuitry, today's foray into virtual realms draws to a chuckle-filled close. They may not have mastered the technology, but they've certainly captured our hearts with their endearing mishaps and high-spirited folly. And now, dear viewers, we turn to you. We invite you to contribute your own sketches and comedic concepts in the comments below. Your creativity fuels our laughter and the adventures of our beloved characters.